There he is. Okay, let's get him to drop it off the car. See that Mercedes right there. Morning. What's going on?
Made it.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like the liner came out. Is it warmer? It is the south, buddy. Liner pretty much came out, but we're gonna redo it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I wonder if I got everything out of here. Okay.
Hey, where's the bolts for like the hood and stuff?
Should be in the whatchamacallit, little container here.
Right in the car?
Should be. It's all in here.
It's better to spray.
Look, it's all in here. The fender screws are in the glove box, so everything's there. Yeah, it's $300.
The VIN number is what's holding it together.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's gonna go. So basically, after the paint job, after it gets out of the shop, we'll assemble everything that we have from the body parts, basically the fenders, the hood. Then the compressor, AC compressor, is out completely. I'm gonna go ahead and change it right away.
You know,
This belt.
Or,
Yeah, that's what I looked at yesterday. Kind of noticed.
yesterday.
Was it?
Yeah.
And that's the crankshaft. We'll just change them. I think all these spools need to be changed out.
This front one's bent. I don't know if it's a one piece or not. But
Because this was where the accident was.
yeah.
So that needs to be replaced right away. And then the alternator bracket, see where it's all bent right there? I need to change that bracket.
The bigger the better.
So you want to go with a V8, you're saying, basically. Yeah, they do put V8s in here. I don't know how much modifications they have to do, but
A lot.
that's way out. That's way out in the future. Let's just focus on the paint job, right? Let's go over the body real quick one more time. In case we'll see the before. Okay, so we decided to go ahead and slap the fenders back on the car real quick, and the hood and the bumpers and the sunroof back on, so we'll stay with the car. So let's do that real quick. Card error halfway through the recording, so we're gonna get the full car rolling off the trailer. However, the car is off the trailer, like right where we said would be. We said it's Mercedes, and we're gonna slap on the fenders, which we already did. I just gotta put the bolts on them. I'm not gonna tighten them, I'm just gonna put them on there so they stay in place. The valance is gonna go on the bumper and the hood, so let's do that real quick. That's cool. So he makes his own paint. It's awesome. You know, all kinds of different colors.
Put tea in here?
No, it's coffee with honey.
It's like tea.
No, it's all good, bro. Relax. What if it was like something else?
Like Jaeger.
No, it's my morning coffee. Okay, so I gotta set the color. Okay. So these are the colors that we get an option of choosing, the blue colors. So what do you think, Igor, so far? This one right here stands out?
I don't know, maybe too light.
It's kind of too oceany. It's like a...
It's a boy.
Yeah. Oh, man. That is funny. This is like a Mustang color right there. That's the Mustang color.
Dark.
It is too dark, but that's what the Mustang is probably going to be.
It's almost purple.
Ну да. So this is the original color right here. I think I'm just gonna go with this original. Ну так, клевый колер. Что клевый?
Вообще классно, да.
Как он называется? Called Electric Blue Standard. So two options. This one or this one. This is the original and this is a single stage. Blue L61, okay. And he's gonna add some metallic to this one, so it'll be glittery and shiny and all that. Nice.
Okay.
Thank you. Давайте. Okay. So guys, comment below what you think about the colors that we chose. Two different colors, dark blue or that original blue metallic that the car is originally was painted, basically. So comment below, let me know what you think. Final look at this beauty. Next time you'll see it, guys, it'll be either that original blue or that darker blue, but it will be painted, the whole car. Look at this, beautiful. Excellent. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, comment below what you think on the colors, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Is that a 318?
Nah, man, that's a 325. Yeah, 325.
What year?
87. I hate goodbyes. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.